what's happening, what's going on? Guten Morgen. It's a rather early start on a Saturday morning. ये मोटरसाइकिल का जो चेन सेट है, I got this thing replaced like 5-6,000 kilometers back and it's acting up in a way. Either इसका कोई एक linkage ख़राब हो गया है या फिर और maybe sprocket भी हो सकता है. But although I'm headed towards the service center right now, but I'm pretty sure वो लोग इसका कुछ भी एक ऐसा अगर linkage ख़राब है वो fix नहीं करेंगे. They'll straight up go like हम तो पूरा ही change करेंगे, which I don't really want. Apart from that, I have to get that regular service done also. There are a few itsy things that also needs to be fixed, but the major problem that I'm facing right now is with the chain. I don't know if you can hear, but that khad is getting louder and louder by the day. Oh, this is Royal Enfield. अभी तो बंद है भैंस की आँख. मैं काफ़ी जल्दी आ गया क्या? बस अंदर ले आऊँ. वेल सो फार मेरे दिमाग में जो चीज़ें हैं करवाने के लिए, एक तो ब्रेक्स ब्लीड करवानी है, दूसरा टायर तो खैर यहाँ से नहीं होगा. आई हैव टू गेट दिस चेन का इशू सॉर्टेड बिकॉज इट्स रियली क्लंकी और इसका एक हज़ार्ड इंडिकेटर नहीं चल रहा. एंड वी गॉट अनदर बिट्स एंड पीसीज में बाकी चीज़ें, थोड़ा इसका एडजस्टमेंट ठीक करना है. एंड आई हैव टू चेक ऑल्सो क्लच प्लेट्स हैं कि कितनी फूक गई हैं, यही चलेगी या फिर नहीं डलेगी. नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट. Addition to the cost, we have to change the pad because it's done for apparently. So this beautiful Fireball here has done 33,148 kilometers, which has been in the city. It has only been to Delhi and back, and I think that's the longest stretch this thing has done. The rear tire is a new one. The front is still stock, and yeah, you can look, it's gone. I cannot find the same tire that I'm using at the rear, and I don't want to use some different tire. So I just gotten the service. I've gotten the air filter changed, the oil filter, obviously the oil, and the front disc. The front disc, it's a new one, and obviously the brake pads. The rear one is still the old one, but it has gotten these grooves, and yeah, about that. I got this chain set changed 5-6,000 kilometers. That's a new chain set. I think this has done only 5-6,000 kilometers and it's gone. I mean, this is a thing of beauty. It's been running for what, 33,000 kilometers, and it works too much. It's a beautiful machine, and this is giving somewhere around 30 to 40 kilometers per liter. I love this machine. I don't get it why this is so underappreciated, and I don't see a lot of these. Although in the past couple of months I've been seeing a hell lot of new Meteors on the road. Compared to a year and a half ago, there were barely any Meteors on the road, but now I'm seeing like every day there's a new Meteor somewhere. In the office building itself, I've seen 5 new Meteors. Legit, 5 new Meteors. And a year back this was the only one. So I guess people are now cozying up to this motorcycle. I got this thing serviced from the Royal Enfield's showroom here in Chandigarh, and yeah, the experience really wasn't that great this time. I went there because the previous was good. Now I'm saying that after the service the brakes have actually gotten worse, so much so that the old almost worn out brake pads were doing a better job than these new ones, even after getting the disc also changed. Now I don't know what the issue is, and for that to figure out I'll have to go back to the service center, and I'm really skeptical at this point because I had specifically mentioned that I want to change the brake fluid, so I wanted to bleed the brakes. Now I said it twice or thrice, and now the guy who was working on the motorcycle, he said that कि नहीं कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, अभी रहने दीजिए, 2000 किलोमीटर और चला लीजिए, फिर देखिए. And the moment I drove out at the first traffic stop, now obviously I have a muscle memory for this thing. I know where to apply the brakes and कितने distance पे रुकेगी. It did not happen. The moment I applied the brakes, and I was like, रुक क्यों नहीं रही है भाई? And then I thought maybe because the brake pads are new or the front disc is new, maybe that's why it takes a little time, for them to sit together. Yeah, I have to go back for that, and I did tell them I want the chain set change, and even for that they said कोई नहीं, अभी 2000 किलोमीटर और चल पड़ेगा, इसी को चला दो. But yeah, I just did not understand the whole spiel, what it was with the guy there कि हाँ कोई नहीं, चल पड़ेगा, अभी चल पड़ेगा. But yeah, the brakes bit, it's really scary because I've had 2 close calls and I cannot risk it anymore. Now I'm just reconsidering the whole thing, that should I go back to the service center, or I found this guy's number, this third party mechanic apparently, who does a good job, and I'm thinking maybe I'm just gonna pay him a visit. And I think after this, I don't think I'll be going back to the service center, man. You pay hefty amount of money for the littlest things, because I know if I take this motorcycle to a mechanic and for the chain issue, I know that he'll find the problem, whatever it is, be it with the sprocket or the chain. It's with the chain. He's gonna change the chain. The problem with the service center is they're gonna say pura chain set hi nahi padega. It's gonna cost me somewhere around 3,000 rupees. And what I don't understand is how the chain went bust. It's only been 6,000 kilometers on the new chain set, and this time I made sure that I clean the chain and loop the chain every 500 or 600 kilometers. This bike is mostly used for the commute and then some runs within the city, and that's all. Around rainy time it does get muddy and all, but yeah, I make sure I do not run the chain dry, so I clean it. But the guy said the chain इसलिए ख़राब हुआ क्योंकि it isn't oiled. How? I don't know. I've been using Motul का lube on this. हो सकता है शायद से मैं कम use कर रहा हूँ. I don't know. But yeah, the second chain set is also gone. Apart from that, this motorcycle is pure stock. Like legit, everything on this is stock. बस ये शीशे अलग से लगे हुए हैं. That's all. That's it. Okay, I want to exit the Gaon now. How do I? Another thing that I mentioned and asked was that कि clutch plates, dude, I am skeptical about these clutch plates कि कितना चलेगा, and क्योंकि I can feel there's a थोड़ा lagginess वगैरह है second gear में. It's a beautiful motorcycle. If you're someone who wants to buy a Meteor, who wants to buy this motorcycle, I'd say don't even think twice, just get the test ride. You'll love it. 33,000 kilometers and no issues at all. Smooth, मक्खन है भाई ये चीज़. 100 से 120 वाली रेंज में इट गेट्स अ लिटिल स्मूथ. 80 से 90 के आसपास मेरे को हल्का वाइबी फील होता है. पंजाब इज़ फ्रिकिंग ब्यूटीफुल मैन. You can't even make this shit up. Fuck. Now I'm truly and really disappointed from the service that I've gotten from Royal Enfield, despite mentioning the fact the clutch plate has been acting up, and I think it's about time that I get it changed. To which they said नहीं अभी चलेगी 2000 चलेगी 2000